Hello everyone. I want to take this opportunity to introduce you to an application that I have developed called Chinese to Jyutping that allows you to convert Chinese characters to Jyutping. This can help you pronounce Chinese words correctly while you're reading Chinese. Now this application is available in Android, and if you're interested in downloading this app, you can find the link to the Google Play Store listing in the video description below. So, for those who don't know, Jyutping is a romanization system for Cantonese developed by the Linguistic Society of Hong Kong, or what we called LSHK, in 1993. Now, Jyutping helps you pronounce and can help you correct your Cantonese pronunciations and accents. Jyutping to Cantonese is like Pinyin to Mandarin, where learning a few tones allows you to pronounce Chinese characters perfectly. Now, this application is a Cantonese to Jyutping translator and converter that converts Chinese characters into Jyutping format. Now, I keep on pronouncing Jyutping, but in Cantonese, it's actually called Jyutping. And in this case, you will actually learn how to pronounce this with the learning of Jyutping and using this app. So with this app, you can pronounce Chinese characters flawlessly. And simply, you just need to copy any Chinese paragraphs or excerpt of interest into this app, click translate, and the app will produce the Jyutping translations automatically as shown in front of you right now. But what if you are using an iPhone or you don't have an Android device? Well, fear not. If you go to my site, Cantonese-Go.ml, you will find this translator as well from the main menu. And the look of it is what I've shown in front of you right now. Also, don't forget to join our Cantonese language exchange community. This is a Discord server that I've created in which my aim is to create an ecosystem for Cantonese language learners to connect with each other and learn together. Of course, I will be there as well and help you guys in successfully learn this language. You can access the community through the link on Cantonese-Go.ml by clicking on the red panel as shown in front of you right now, or you can access it through the Discord invite in the YouTube description below. Now, please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you wish to help me grow this community so that we can all work together and help you in learning Cantonese as well. I will still post videos on YouTube regarding Cantonese learning, but as I mentioned here, growing the Cantonese language exchange community is my biggest goal right now as part of my Cantonese Go project. So if you want to help me in helping you, join my community, promote it, and make it available to everyone who wants to learn Cantonese. Thank you and good luck to your Cantonese journey.